here's a quick explanation of various ways in which you can traverse through a binary tree. So first one is pre-order. Pre-order is pretty much performing an action at the very beginning before calling DFS recursively on the left and the right subnodes. The way this works is you start off at A before you call on the left, you visit B, you call that one on the left again, you visit D, you call it on the right, it's finished, you go E, you finish that, and you call this one at the right, C, before going to F and G. So you can use pre-order. You can also use in-order DFS, where you perform the action in the middle. So calling it in the middle is when you start off, we can imagine this. We call it at the middle value. We keep going at the left before calling it a D, and then going to B, going to E, and then going to A, then going to F, then going to C, and then going to G. If you notice a pattern here, it goes in order. So it literally goes in the order in which those letters are displayed. And yeah, so basically you perform the action in the middle. Another one you can do is post-order DFS. And that one is when you do the DFS on the, both basically get that DFS out of the way and then perform the action at the very end. So what happens there is you start off at D, then because you do everything at the very end before going and doing that, you'll end up at E over here, then you'll end up at B, then F, then G, then you go to C before going to A. A is at the very end because since you're performing all of those that first searches at the very beginning, if we call this method, like if we do like a DFS with the A method at the beginning, it'll have to run through every single of its subchildren before it prints that value at the very end. That's why it's at the very last. And basically that's done recursively for all of the subnodes. So yeah, hopefully this quick explanation was enough to kind of get a gist of it. Yeah.